Hey, how's it going, everyone? My name is D, and you're now tuned in to New Touch Auto. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove your tail light from your Ford Explorer 2023 model. Let's get right into the video. So the first step will be to open your hatch door. Now here we have our left side tail light still installed, but our goal is to remove it similar to this right side. Now I'll be going over all the tools that I'll be using. Very simple process. So let's jump straight into it. Located at this top side, you will need to remove this panel and this panel. But in order to do so, you'll need to remove these T27 screws that are located here and here. Once we remove that, we'll take off this panel, and then we will remove this panel as well. Now, once you remove those two screws, you want to take a plastic trim tool and you want to pry it open. You want to set it to the side. This panel here, you're going to do the same. You're going to pry it open and you're going to work your way down to the bottom. So our next step would be to remove this panel right here. You can use a flathead screwdriver or a plastic trim tool so that you don't gouge around this area. If you do decide to use a flathead, you want to make sure you take your time and do it lightly so you don't gouge it. Now, inside this hole, you will have a 11mm plastic screw that you'll have to remove. So we're going to go ahead and use our 11mm socket to remove that. And this is what it looks like once you unscrew it. Now once you remove that screw, you can go ahead and pull out your tail light. Now located in this section here, the tail light is inserted into a hole. So you will need to pull your tail light out and then you can remove it. Now this pin right here, you will need to pull out of that hole. And once you do so, you can go ahead and remove your electrical accessories on the back side. And you just twist them counterclockwise. And on this area here, there's a pin right here. You push it down. Once you push it down, you can pull it out. On this top side, there's a push area right there. Push it down, slide it out. And that concludes the end of the video. You've now successfully removed your tail light from your 2023 Ford Explorer. Now this vehicle here will be wrapped, so stay tuned for that. We'll have that video uploaded very soon. Thank y'all for checking out this video. Catch you on the next one.